Hello students, today I am going to start with a creative writing section, and in that section we are going to learn about comprehension. Comprehension of grammar textbook, passage number 2, page number 107. Open the book and go through it. What I speak, listen it properly and understand it. You have to, in the comprehension, you have to find out from the passage only words are given, and you have to find out meaning of it, that words in one word sentence. Understood? Word is given in the question and you have to find out answers from the passage only. You have to not to write it by your own in one word and in the blanks. And when they have asked about the reason or give your own answers, then you can use outside words. Otherwise you have to find it from the passage itself only. Understood? Because in exam I have seen that the old, somebody has written young, but you have to write the answers opposite from the passage given in the question paper. So this clear out in your mind that you have to write one words or fill in the blanks or true or false in one word sentence, answers in one sentence, one word sentence, all that things to be find out from the passage itself. And when they have asked for the write in your own answers, then you can utilize your own words for framing the sentence. Understood? Shall we start with the passage 2, comprehension 2? Here is the story of Mahatma Gandhi's father. Mahatma Gandhi's father name was Karamchand Uttamchand Gandhi, and he is also known as Kaba Gandhi. His another name was Kaba Gandhi. What was Mahatma Gandhi's father's name? Karamchand Uttamchand Gandhi. So this comprehension is related to Mahatma Gandhi's father. My father's name was Kaba Gandhi. My father's name was Kaba Gandhi. He never had a thought of making himself rich, so he left us very little property. He never thought that I want to become a rich. So he has not earned so much money in his life. Whatever he is getting, he was happy in that. So he had less property during his age. He had no education. He was not well educated also, but he had learned from experience. He had learned from the experience. Even the person is not educated, but by doing some work continuously makes him perfect in that work. So that is called experience. He had no education, but he had learned from experience. This is the quality of Mahatma Gandhi's father. He had no education, but he had learned from experience. He loved the family. He loved the family. This is the quality of Mahatma Gandhi's father. He would always tell the truth, and he was brave and generous. These are the qualities of Mahatma Gandhi's father. But he would also get angry easily. He was very short temper also. He became angry also so fast. He had a name for being impartial among the members of the family. He had a name for being impartial among the members of the family. He was for some time the Prime Minister of the states of Rajkot. He was the Prime Minister of Rajkot, and he was well known for his loyalty to his state. He once forced an assistant political agent to take back his remark against Rajkot. He once forced an assistant political agent to take back his remark against Rajkot. One of the political agent was there. He had done remarks against the Rajkot. So he told that assistant that take your remarks back against the Rajkot. The clearest impression I have of my mother is that of a saintly woman. Now here we are going to talk about Mahatma Gandhi's mother. She was a very saintly woman. She was deeply religious. She was most of the time she spent on religious only. She do for the God works only. She spent more time in God's work only. She would not eat her meals without saying her daily prayers. Whenever she eats, before eating, she do her daily prayers. My mother had a strong common sense. She was well informed about the matters of the states, and the ladies of the court thought highly of her intelligence. She was very intelligent and she had a strong common sense. She was well informed about the matters what is going in the states, and she guide the ladies also of the court. She guide the ladies, general ladies in the court, and give them, she said the things whatever she knows. These were my parents. I was born at Porbandar, Kathiawar, also known as Sadamapuri. Sudamapuri. On 2nd October 1869. I passed my childhood in Porbandar. Where was Gandhiji born? Gandhiji was born at Porbandar in Kathiawar, and that Porbandar is also known as Sudamapuri, and he was born on 2nd October 1869. He spent his childhood in Porbandar. I remember I had great difficulty in learning the multiplication tables at school. He was facing a problem in learning multiplication tables. I hardly remember anything else of these days. I hope you understand the comprehension passage clearly, and you have to find out here boxes are already I have underlined. I have done highlights on the passages. So that is your answers question given in the comprehensions. Let's do the exercise. Can you guess who has written this passage? Come on, tell me. It was Mahatma Gandhi, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. We call them as Mahatma Gandhi. Which clue gave you the right answer? Loyalty, education and experience gave you the right answer. 3 qualities of his father, I have already said. He loved his family. He would always tell the truth. He was brave and generous. Filling the blanks, you have to find out the sentence from the passage and write the missing words in the blank. First one answer is education and experience. Second one is daily prayers. His mother would not eat her meals without saying her daily prayers. Third one, the writer had great quality in learning. The writer had great difficulty in learning tables at school. That is multiplication tables. What was writer was facing in difficulty? Multiplication tables in learning. Now one word. Which word in the passage is the opposite of partial? What is the opposite of partial? Impartial. Which word in the passage means famous? Famous means well known. Opposite of mean or stingy means generous. Now which two words in the passage means to admit you were wrong in your saying something. Now you have to find out these 2 words that you admit that you were wrong in saying something. When we made a mistake, then we should admit our mistake that I was wrong in saying this. So find out that 2 words. Homework. Understood, children? Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe.